Male and female gametes are fused during the fertilization. After fertilization, diploid zygote is formed in the female gametophyte or in the pinus ovule. The diploid zygote develop into complete embryo. Diploid zygote develop into complete embryo called embryogenesis. Development of embryo from the zygote is called embryogenesis. After fertilization, fusion of male and female gametes, diploid zygote is formed in the ovule. The diploid zygote participated in the mitotic divisions to form two cells. Again, the two cells are formed. Again, the two cells are participated in the mitotic divisions to form four cells. Four cells again participated in the mitotic division to form 8 cells. 8 cells again participated in the mitotic division to form 16 cells. That 16 cells are arranged in the 4 tiers. In each tier, 4 cells are present. In each tier, 4 cells are present. Upper tier 4 cells are called open tier of cells. Here it is 2 are visible, 2 are present at the lateral side of these 2 cells. In each tier 4 cells are present. See, here it is 2, 2, 2, 2. Total 4 cells are present in the each tier. Upper tier 4 cells are called open tier cells. Open tier cells. Below the open tier cells, the remaining 4 cells are called Rossetti cells. Remaining 4 cells are called Rossetti cells. Below the Rossetti cells, the 4 cells are called suspensor cells. Below the suspensor cells, the 4 cells are called embryonal cells. Embryonal cells. See, during the development of embryogenesis, the Rossetti cells and open tier cells are supplies food material to suspensors as well as supplies to embryonal cells. During the development, the suspensor cells are enlarged in the size. The suspensor cells are enlarged in the size and they are participated in the transfer division to form secondary suspensor cells. Initially, suspensor cells are large. Initially, suspensor cells are small in length. By the development or during the development, the suspensor cells are to form a long tube-like structure. The long tube-like structure cells are participated in the transfer division. Again, they to form secondary suspensor cells. Primary suspensor cells, secondary suspensor cells are look like a long tube-like structures. At the end of each secondary suspensor cell, embryonal cells are present. That embryonal cells are participated in the mitotic division. They develop into embryos. Here it is 4 suspensor cells are present. The 4 suspensor cells participated in the transfer division. They develop into 4 secondary suspensor cells. At end of the 4 secondary suspensory cells, 4 embryos are present. Generally, single zygote is formed. The single zygote develop into 4 embryos. The 4 embryos are developed from the single zygote. These are present in the ovule of pinus. After fertilization, the ovule convert into seed. So seed containing 4 embryos. In single seed, more number of embryos are present, called polyembryony. Polyembryony is the general character, normal character of gymnosperms. Polyembryony is the normal character of gymnosperms. Polyembryony means in single seed more number of embryos are present, called polyembryony. From these four embryos, any one of embryo develop into complete plantlet of Pinus. The four embryos are developed into catelydan-like structures. Finally, more number of catelyddons are developed in the embryo. More number of polycatelyddons. More number of catelyddons are present in the gymnosperms of embryos. Similar in Pinus embryo, polycatelyddons are present. From these four embryos, one embryo develop into Pinus plantlet. Remaining embryos act as a nutrient tissue, and they develop and they supplies nutrients to developed embryos. It is the embryogenesis of Pinus. Single zygote to develop into four embryos. After fertilization, ovule convert into seed. That seed containing more number of embryos, called polyembryony. Polyembryony is a normal character in the gymnosperms as well as in the Pinus. It is the embryogenesis of Pinus.